With so many microphones on the market these days, it's hard to decide which one best suits your needs. In this video, I will be reviewing the Rode Wireless Go microphone system, and I'll tell you why I chose this microphone out of all of them coming up. Hey guys, it's Liz and welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you the Rode Wireless Go microphone system. I ended up buying mine from Camera Warehouse for about $278. There are other retailers out there which are listed on the Rode website and they do sell them for a little bit cheaper. But the reason why I ended up getting mine from Camera Warehouse was because I also needed a white diffuser umbrella and it ended up working out cheaper with the postage and everything. So this is the box that it comes in. Now I was quite surprised with how small it was. I don't know why, but I was expecting to be a little bit bigger. So let's open it up and see what's inside. So the microphone and the receiver come in this handy little travel pouch with a Velcro tab, perfect for traveling around in. It also comes with two of these dead cats, which are very small, perfect for the microphone. And it also comes with two charger cables so you can charge them both at the same time. Now these are the instructions, however they aren't much in the way of instructions, as in they don't really tell you how to use them or how they work or what to do. So a lot of it was kind of just guesswork, but in all honesty there's like 3 buttons, so it was quite straightforward. So when I first got them, they didn't come with much battery life on them, so I had to pop them on charge for about an hour. Now I'm not too sure how long it lasts for, but I've heard rumors that they can last up to 7 hours, which is actually not too bad. Before I bought this microphone, I actually did a lot of research to make sure I was buying the best one that suited my needs. And I was actually tossing up between getting a lapel or a shotgun. Now for those of you who don't know what a lapel is, it's a tiny microphone that clips onto your shirt and it can either run a cord back to the camera where it plugs in, or it has a wireless transmission between the camera and the microphone on your shirt. And for those who are unsure of what a shotgun mic is, it's a microphone that sits into the chute of your camera and records the sound from where your camera is. Now choosing between a lapel and a shotgun was actually a really tough decision for me. I've noticed a lot of YouTubers these days are actually using the shotgun microphone, especially the vloggers. However, with a shotgun mic, I was a little worried about how it would go picking up the sound when I'm out in the field, especially when I'm a fair distance away from the camera. On the other hand, I wasn't too sure how I would go if I ended up getting the lapel, because if I had it clipped onto my shirt with a 2-meter cable running back to the camera, I wasn't sure how I would go, especially if I was out in the field, as it would limit how I could move, and I was worried that you'd be able to see the cable when I'm filming, unless I was sitting at a table and I could hide it under the table, but again, I just wasn't too keen on it. So then I started researching wireless systems. Out of curiosity, I wanted to see how much they cost, because anything being wireless these days, of course, it just jacks up the price. And that's when I came across the Rode Wireless Go system. The price actually wasn't too bad. It was kind of within my budget, and compared to the other wireless systems, they were a lot more compact. So the reason why I ended up choosing this over another brand such as Boya, which is cheaper but also decent quality, was because I've only ever known Rode. So for me, it was just simple to go with that, go with something you know, go with something you're comfortable with. In terms of sound quality, this system actually isn't too bad. Prior to filming this video, I ended up doing a couple of tests just to get a feel for it, to make sure I knew how to use it before making this video. I was hoping to compare this system against another microphone just so you guys could hear the difference, but unfortunately I didn't have another microphone to use, hence why I have this system, because I'm actually using it now in this video. While doing my research on the Rode Wireless Go, I also learned that they are a very versatile system. For example, instead of having it clipped under your shirt like I do now, you can also clip it onto your pants and have a Rode Wireless Go lapel microphone clipped onto your shirt. Some may find that that is a better system for them, because to be completely honest, the Rode microphone, because it's a small little box, it's actually quite bulky when it sits underneath your shirt. I'm lucky I'm wearing a crop top under this, so I can just clip it in the middle of my crop top and I'm good to go. However, if you're a male, it might be a little bit tricky clipping it to something, unless you wear a shirt underneath and another shirt over the top, or a singlet and you can clip it to that. Otherwise, I've seen people sticky tape it to their chest and using it that way. Otherwise, if you're wearing a pocket like I am now, you can just stick it in the pocket and it works perfectly just like that. A handy little feature which I feel sets this microphone apart from all the others is the fact that the microphone is actually built into the transmitter, and both devices come with a handy little clip, one that clips onto your person and the other one that actually fits right into the shield of your camera, making it super duper handy and really easy to use. Once you finish charging them, all you have to do is just clip it on, plug it into your camera, turn them on, and you're honestly good to go. Now that I've done the initial unboxing of the Rode Wireless Go microphone system, I'd actually be keen to do a 6-month review to let you guys know how it has been over a period of time and whether I still feel like it's the best camera on the market. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next Wednesday.